Hey, what's going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here again. Today's Monday and the market's been crashing, entire crash. Like, it's seriously, so right now what's happening is very, very serious. This is crypto. Like, I'm gonna just show you right now Bitcoin and the setups I sent actually yesterday and the entire weekend, pretty much from Saturday as well. And I've been predicting this thing. I don't want to talk too much, but I was predicting this drop on Bitcoin pretty much since it was creating this big flag right here. And once it broke right here, I did send this to the actual VIP group, which, by the way, if you're interested, you can check out my website, teamprofitsenglish.com. You'll find out there that I'm offering a bundle right there, and there's a 20% discount on the bundle, okay, which includes a course, mentorship, and VIP signal group for life. It's only one-time payment. So with that being said, I did send this, and in fact, like if I go to my profile on TradingView, I do have my profile right here. You can see pretty much the ideas that I've been posting, reputation, and right here you can also see this type of that I actually post sometimes some type of signals from time to time, not all the time. Look at this. This was on NZD USD recently. It just hit the TP. And this is Bitcoin right here. This was the actual Bitcoin sale. I was thinking, I was sending that after breaking that 40,000, it was gonna hit that 30,000. Of course, it hit it after showing that nice flag in there. So beautiful. But well, as you can imagine, right now 23,000 the price for Bitcoin right now, and I think it's gonna continue dropping back to the 20,000. It's not just that. I don't know what you think. I'm not a crypto guy. I always say this, but I might actually be going in through some really nice things now on crypto. But Ethereum also is getting lower and lower. Wow, I don't know what you think, those of you who like trading cryptos, but this is very bad. This is very bad where it is right now. It broke even the last high done on 2018. It broke it. It looks like it's breaking on the daily candle. It's already going below the weekly. I'm sorry, the weekly candle. Let's see if it's gonna be this week is going to correct, perhaps, and that's gonna leave a big week at the bottom, or is it just continue dropping? And who knows where this thing is gonna stop? I'll tell you, like I see a few cryptos disappearing this week. I don't know why, but I think a few cryptos will be just literally disappearing from the map. Bitcoin is almost reaching the previous high. I think we'll reach it definitely. Ethereum already did, and it went lower. So yeah, don't be amazed if the market actually goes lower than that. I believe it's gonna be most likely reaching the 11,000 in not not too long. It's not gonna take too long to reach this 11,000. So be careful, those who are actually buying. I know it's a good thing that is going down because people can actually buy, and you can still be buying because there's big investors are buying. But what's happening right now is fear. That's all of it. It's FOMO. What's happening right now? People are actually scared and selling. Look at this huge sale I spotted, and I actually sent to the VIP group, which, let me see 1 second. Let me see if I can find that. This was that on Saturday? Hang on. Let me see if I can put it here. All right, so this was the other entry, was it? Was that Bitcoin? Yeah, this was Bitcoin. The recent the other entry that I made on that order block right there. Well, let me look for the first one. This was breaking. Yeah, this had broken already. This was, you see, I was showing pretty much every step. I think this was the one. I did enter well, I gotta keep looking for that picture, but I sent it. The market was creating that order block, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna jump in. I'm gonna be aiming the final target on the 27,706. Then when the price started dropping, I decided to just stretch it out, and I went lower than that. I was actually taking, like, aiming this previous week right here. I was like, okay, I'm gonna aim it all the way down there, and that right there, it is a 1 to 20 risk to reward. Look at that. The price never even came back to stop me out on break even, because this thing, of course, we're on break even. Then this other test we're making, another drop, nice drop in there, never went back to stop out on break even. So there was an entry inside this entry that I was currently running. So 1 to 20 risk to reward using order blocks right there. Nothing more than that. I should have actually, yeah, hold this thing all the way to the 20,000, because it's crazy the risk to reward ratios you can actually get with this order block thing. So it was a killer. Now let me jump in also on gold, which is also crashing, by the way. But we caught, like, this would have been another huge risk to reward if I would have held it, because the first entry was done right there. If I would have held it all the way, I was not expecting the market to crash this huge. This would have been a 1 to 33 risk to reward. But hey, you know, it is what it is. Sometimes it's just that we are not going to be predicting a huge drop like that. It's not going to happen all the time. So we cannot be that greedy. But it's pretty exciting what you could have done. I was not thinking the market would break this thing below, because this is a very strong resistance now. When I saw that breakout, I was thinking the market could come back down, maybe just to retest the area, not just come crashing and melting all the way down to hell. So right here, again, this I sent it to the VIP as well. This was last night before I went to sleep. The market was open, and on Sunday, here in my country, on Sunday it opens at around 5 p.m. So I was watching. I saw that move. I saw on a 1 minute. I went on a 1 minute time frame, and I saw that order block happening. Where is it? Here. All right. So I saw that order block happening here on a 1 minute. I saw that big movement. Right before the big movement, I highlighted this this candle right here, or this entire zone. It was actually this candle right there. All right, if I put it back a little bit, it's just a consolidation, right? And then it gave me that big movement. So I was thinking, okay, I kind of like that. The price was then trying to push back up. Here is a liquidity area. The price did grab liquidity, and then it started dropping. On that drop right there, immediately after that drop started, I went on a 5 minute, and I spotted that. Where'd it go? Hang on. I spotted that 5 minute order block right here. The previous candle before the drop. What the market did, immediately coming back up, barely touch it. So it means that there were sell limit orders open here by institutions. You know, a lot of injection of the money going into the markets right here. Boom, and then that started just dropping and dropping. It hit the first entry, and then the second entry right here also hitting the TP. Beautiful, 2 entries, one after another, and one order block after another order block, and so on. You know, but really nice setup right there. So that was basically yesterday on Sunday. It's very rare, it's very weird when I make an entry on a Sunday, because it's risky. You know, the bad thing is that the session was Asian session, so not good. I took this L today on S&P 500, and let me see if I still have it here. Set it up. It's not here. I think I cleared that up. But let me go here on the. Let me go here on the VIP. So I'll show you. This was yesterday. This right here. I was seeing a little order block right here. Also, I was thinking that, hey, okay, we are on top of this 3800 psychological level, and I'm seeing now that nice little demand zone that was created right there. I was thinking the price could actually push up. I was aiming to previous targets. This would be the first target right here, second and third target, but no, actually went down, stopping me out, and of course it crashed. The market did crash. So that was the little L we took today. I was right here. It was actually right here. You see what the market did? The price dropped, pretending it was pushing up, but then dropped. Now we could have some type of correction, of course. I think the US 30 thing, the US 30 entry, which is this one, is gonna be pushing up. This is a risk-free trade already. Oh, not US 30. What am I saying? US 30, I'm still holding this sell pretty much from last week, still holding this one. But on Nasdaq, I'm sorry, the Nasdaq entry is the one that it's a risk-free trade at this point as well. It's pulling back. It did another liquidity grab. The market did, this is a 15-minute, I spotted a 30-minute order block, and look what the market did. Right, price consolidated, creating that liquidity right there. The price dropped. This is New York Stock Exchange opening right here. It did push, activated the orders, immediately rejecting, aggressively showing a lot of rejections. So this can tell you the amount, or basically the amount of entries, or the size of and the volume of entries that were right here that pushed the market immediately to the downside, and then soon as the next thing you know, the price was actually dropping. So it's pulling back, of course, and it's to correct a little bit. Most likely it's going to be coming back up, maybe getting back a little bit into this area right here, but most likely will continue its way down. This is a risk-free trade. Again, I draw this to the VIP explaining what was happening, right? If you guys are interested on learning this thing and what I'm doing, guys, I highly recommend you go check out my website, teamprofitsenglish.com. You will find there that I'm offering this bundle, which includes all this type of information. This is new information that I'm including in the course, inside the course, beside my other strategies, which is TP strategy, which is my favorite one, and right now order blocks. All right. So again, if you're interested, just hit me up. Let me know. Leave your comments below. If you're actually new on the channel, please subscribe. I am actually posting content very often on the channel. You might like it. And also I have a few playlists, by the way. If you want to learn, I have a few playlists. Just go on my channel and go to the playlist tab, and you will see that I have a few playlists based on TP strategy, diamond strategy. I have a lot of strategies right there that might actually work for you, and you can learn that, basically on the channel, directly on the channel. Right? Thanks again, guys, for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy, guys.